Hello everyone, welcome to Tony Talks. Welcome. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is going to be right into it. And thank you for all my subscribers, and if you are new here, thank you, and don't forget to hit on that subscribe button so that you will not miss out on our future videos. Thank you, and please there no derogatory comments. Thank you. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
To the police
Chantal, African TV is doing the right thing. Look at the problem
I'm
here.
not saying it's not.
Yeah,
I'm not saying
Chantal,
it's not.
look at the problem here. Video given to them since December, right? Yomi was supposed to have followed up with that video and insist that a forensic be done. Did Yomi ask the police that come the fullness of this 3 seconds video be retrieved? All right, that was supposed to have been the game. Don't just abandon it with the police and say, oh, that whenever they do it, and then keep fighting on media. Be close to them. For example, right now with what African TV is saying, African TV is making it clear that the police position as of today is that that particular video has been deleted and they don't have a way to get it. And in fact, that one of the IPO was telling him that, you know, I'm only an investigator, I'm not an IT tech person. And then when Karimo came here, Karimo said African TV should go back to that Ikeja. If those police don't have the money to go through the process, let them give them. Okay, let them clarify, let them bring back the deleted video. That's what we should be talking about. We should be talking about working with them to bring back that 10-minute video. Not just waiting here and waiting.
That's not where I'm driving at, okay? If Yomi did not follow up that video with the police, that's the flaw there, okay? That's not where I'm driving at. That's not what I'm even talking. I've listened to everything Karimo said, I've listened to every conversation since morning. My problem is this. If that hard drive was taken to the police and they checked, they said nothing is there, they gave it back to whoever brought it there, okay? Now, was it not then meant for the police to investigate? People forget that when the
that matter not clear. That's what I said. That matter not clear.
Let me finish my conversation.
But you asked a question now. They didn't give it back. You said they gave, but they didn't give it back. They keep it. It's with them there.
Okay, wait now.
Yes.
I'm saying from what African TV said that the police said they gave the hard drive, they checked, there was nothing, they gave it back to whoever brought it. That's what he said here. Okay, I'm repeating what he said here. That's not even my problem right now. My problem is this. I'm blaming now the police. That's where I'm coming at. I don't care about your African TV. I'm talking about the police right now. Wasn't the police supposed to, okay, investigate? To even think that if they had deleted this video, then there should be something in that video. Why was it deleted? Because now from every indication, it's indicating now that that video now is what actually happened that led to Mohbad's death. From what I'm seeing, why was it deleted? Why is the police not focusing on why the video was deleted and trying to retry the remaining part of that video? Why should African TV or Yomi or whoever go and be seeing how they can retry video from wherever the video might be? Why isn't the police doing that? And what guarantees us that even if we raise money for the police to do forensic on phone or whatever, they're still going to come out and say, yes, we found the video, this is what is in the video. It's indicating that the police is compromised here. So what should we be doing next?
Thank you very much. That's what I'm saying, that what African TV is doing is creating light, is causing problem everywhere. Even the police right now should be shaking. Okay? They should be shaking because with Yomi before, we don't even know what is happening. We don't even know what is that much happening there. Because Yomi is not telling anything. You should understand.
Yeah, you're right.
Let me say for example right now, as long as the case is on, okay, just like what we're talking about, as long as this case is on, people, if you are making money from this case, right, you want it to keep going on. The next person who is not making money is the one who really want to get to the root. She understand that, come, me, I'm not making money now. This person is making money. This is not even money. So African TV is coming from the point of jealousness to what Yomi Fabi is achieving. She understand, and Karimo, they are worried that this guy, just wait now. Yeah. They are jealous that this guy is making money. All right. So, and as a result of that, they don't know what to do. So they feel like let everything be destroyed. Because as I said a question, there was a time we were sorting for this 3 seconds video. For more than 1 month, Yomi Fabi didn't release it. Yomi Fabi went to give it to Lori, and when they give it to him, Lori said, if you watch the 3 seconds video, we must contribute immediately. that annoyed Karimo the next day. Karimo released it. That what is in this 2-second video? You understand what I'm saying? So, and then that put everybody on the same ground. That no room.
Yeah.
You understand?
I understand what you're saying.
So,
It's good.
this guy should have, Yomi Fabi should have released that video since December. He did not. Something you have given police, and police is not doing anything about it. Release to the public now. Why would you have to go and sell it to somebody and be taking money from that person? It doesn't make sense.
See, let me say something.
Doesn't make sense.
In as much as I'm against African TV and how it's coming at Yomi, I'm happy that some certain things are coming to light. And this is another thing. Even if the police, now that the police told him that there's nothing in the hard drive, how are we supposed to believe that that's true?
Thank you very much.
The police might still be deceiving African TV on that fact.
No. Look at it here. No.
Wait.
They will dig now. If police tell African TV that there's nothing with them, then African TV will drag Yomi. All right. Then Yomi and African TV, we have to go both of them and confirm.
Yeah, that's right. That's why my problem now.
And that's what right now they are set to go back to Ikeja. They are set to go back to Ikeja because now they are saying that where the whole information is, the whole investigation is right, that in that particular place where Yomi submitted it, that they call him to come back for the reply, that Yomi never want to go there. Yomi went to a higher police station. Yomi feel like they are not answering his case, they are not doing anything helping his case there. But now Karimo is saying that Yomi must go back to where he submitted the video and hear what the police have to say about the video. But Yomi right now has gone to a higher police, you understand, to report his case. But where I submitted, they are playing with my case.
I'm worried here concerning the police. I'm very worried. Because remember, when the 3-second video first went to the police, okay, they invited Yomi. Yomi went there and Damilola was there, okay? And they claimed police was answering for Damilola some certain questions, okay? Now, my problem is this, which already indicates that the police is covering something up, okay? And now I can't take police word verbally, okay, compared to what they said to African TV. If I'm African TV, for example, I wouldn't really take that like 100%. I'll have my doubts in regards to that, okay, which is good for him to come back and attacking Yomi. It's good, so that at least we have that altercation.
Now Yomi have to work hard now. He has to work hard to show that something's happening.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. You bring out more altercation and more things to come out. And my problem here is, now, the police for me, I cannot trust them. The 10-minute video might be with the police and they say it's not with them. And even if we are going to dig to bring that out, we should take it again to the police. All right? So now,
last time I said something here. I said this is very simple. I said, Yomi Fabi, can I speak with your lawyer? Okay? Because I know if I speak with Yomi lawyer, right, I know some few questions I will ask. Yomi has a full right now, as a foundation the case is investigating, to through his lawyer, okay, write to the court, calling the court to tell the police to stop whatever they are doing in this case, and that is subpoenaing the police to present the investigation of that 3 seconds video to them. That could be an obstruction to justice. The police have no choice. Police must take it to court. The court is a higher authority over the police. At the end of the day, police will still take its evidence to the court. So go straight to the court and ordering them to bring it. If the police is saying that they don't have instrument to investigate, to retrieve back the 10-minute video, then go straight to court. So you understand? But don't just be wobbling around. You know, there are states for everything. Sometimes, right, like I have said, there are times for conferences. We have done conferences. We have shouted to the whole world, make the whole world know that there's something here that may give us what killed Mohbad. Right? Then now when you go to the police and the police are going to be stubborn that we can't retrieve common video. Fine. Okay. Do you mind if we suggest private companies to come retrieve it for a purpose of this investigation? Do you mind police to work with private companies? We can bring them in if we don't have what it takes. There are private companies who can do it. If police says no, then take them to court.
That's what I was driving to. Can we not have private people to do that?
We have to go out to fight. And we have to scatter the case. We have to scatter the case on the table and then begin to rearrange it. We cannot just be pampering, be saying, it will be well. Justice delayed, justice denied. Until they would, in fact, that phone may not even exist again. You may hear that phone have spoiled.
Exactly.
And they will just damage the panel.
Yomi has to answer certain questions. Yomi has to answer certain questions to us.
That's what I'm saying.
Well.
You can't say
Because
that
yeah,
people
you don't
people
answer.
should investigate. Yeah.
Papariano. All
Hmm?
right. Afternoon, everybody. Afternoon, everybody. Now, like I said, I've got a contrary opinion to everything you said and everything that's played out this morning. Now, you called yourself a scientist, and this morning I removed your battery. I think your battery was faulty. It didn't. Now, there is an issue ongoing, which is Yomi and African TV. The main reason for African TV going to the police department was to confirm if there was arrest warrant or not, correct?
Oh.
Now, African TV got there. All of the questions he said he asked was behind Yomi. Yomi was not there when he said this. They went to eat, they went to Kiniko. I asked the IPO, I asked the Kiniko. How can I believe that everything he's saying today is true? Because
Very
there's
simple.
nobody there.
Very
Hold
simple.
on,
No, wait,
hold
very
on,
simple.
hold on, hold on. Now there were people asked him a question. They said, "Did you confirm if Wumi's arrest or not? There was arrest for Wumi or not?" It's a simple yes or no. But instead, he went the shortcut. I saw.
Jagomon, please wait.
Let me share
Be intelligent.
some.
No, be intelligent, please.
All
Let me
right.
have you. Don't say many things. You see, this is a thing that
Yeah.
I know what you're doing, but I don't just want to let that slide because I mean it happened during maybe all these apologetic debates where we do all this religious whatever stuff. It happens. I will on speakers corner. I used to be there, do those shit. Okay, it doesn't amount to nothing. Let's pick it one by one, and then you have answer to
All
whatever
right.
you
Oh, yeah,
think.
go on. Oh,
When
yeah,
you
go
say
on.
many things, it will look like they are all correct. Pick it
Go
one
on.
by one. Mention one, let's address it, and then you mention the other, please.
Okay. Let me start again. The main objective was to confirm if there was arrest warrant or not, and the only
Okay.
way to
Thank you very
confirm
much.
it.
Let's hold on there.
All
Now,
right.
the main goal for African TV to be there was to confirm if there was an arrest warrant, right? And African TV has gone there earlier before Yomi Fabi arrived, and he said he has made his investigation. He was in doubt before, but several warrant of arrest was shown to him. And again, he said the police expressed their displeasure about how the social media is jeopardizing their investigation. That, for example, according to him, maybe you didn't hear him yesterday, okay? He said, for example, that the police told him, for example, let's say they have a warrant to arrest somebody and they are targeting the person, looking for how to catch that person. When everybody already starts making a noise, oh, there's a warrant of arrest on this person, based on this evidence that is shown to this person, you are intimidating or threatening that person. You are even giving that person means to run away. Okay? And that is not okay. That it is with them. They have their information. They know why they are going after the person. But when you already make it known, share it to the whole world, you are jeopardizing the case. So according to him, I understand. That's why he's saying that. Not that he can mention, but he did not mention anybody's name. But from his language, there is a warrant.
Okay. Hold on. Wait. Let me ask you verbally now. From everything you said today, if you're to address anybody now, are you satisfied with the response? Is there an arrest warrant for this person or not?
Yeah,
Yes or
sure.
no?
So there is.
So which nullifies the fact that he said Yomi is lying to the public, right?
Sure. That's why he's calm on it. That's why he's calm. If he had not seen anything, believe me, he will make the loudest noise. He has
All
seen
right.
it.
Okay. Now the second part is this. He spoke about
And it
video
was
being
good.
deleted.
It was good that he went to confirm it, to shed light on many things on that particular subject.
That's fine. Okay. The second part is this. He said the police told him the video has been deleted. And when you listen to Karimo said the phone issue is in Ikeja. They went to zone 2. So have they spoken to those people in Ikeja, and those people in Ikeja told those that are in zone 2 that the video has been deleted? Or this is just something, and did they say these things in front of Yomi, or this is behind the game when
Thank you
Yomi
very
was not
much.
there?
Thank you very much. Now you see the sniper. Even before this particular meeting, if you know me, I'm following this case. That's why I'm following this case, and I'm always here. And I take my time to listen to them, and I don't have bias in me. That's why people will be thinking something why I don't think the way everybody think. I'm trying to be fair, and I'm doing my best to do so. before African TV clashed with Yomi or whatever, before them going to this place, Top Movie has said the same thing. One lady, okay, that they call her whatever, that was in that interview, that was that Adwas conference, all right, came here, said the same thing. And Karimo and others and co have been iterating the same thing since December. They said that when they were at Ogombo, okay, this guy, Damola, had deleted the video from his phone when they got there. But those ones transferred the case to Panti. I think to Ikeja. So now, on getting to Ikeja, that he had deleted the phone and he was still lying, blah, blah. But then they did forensic. That was why all of us were shouting that, so this police could do forensic. They did forensic, they retrieved back the video. Okay, and then Topman was saying that they showed the video to Yomi. Yomi said he doesn't want to watch. That was a lie. Okay, and because Top Movie confronted Yomi here, and Yomi made it clear to him, nothing was shown to me in Ikeja. That it was what they said to him that he didn't like about their year for impersonation, so he had to go further, and which was correct, right? So now, about Damola deleting the 3 seconds video or the 10-minute video from that phone, that one is confirmed even before now. So for police telling African TV that video was truly deleted, the 3 seconds video, that's the longer version, that it was deleted from the phone and that they have not retrieved it. I mean, it is very close.
Okay, now wait. Now let me
the question I should be asking you is that has at any time, without African TV making this attempt and this revelation, has at any time Yomi Fabi come out to say that he's sure that police is with the 10-minute video? No.
Okay, now hold on.
So the sniper, hold on. Why are they not arresting the person that deleted that?
Are you aware that the police in charge of
the police is aware that it was deleted? Why have they not found out who deleted that?
I'm not done, but I'll come back when everyone is done.
Are you aware that police in charge of Ike have been transferred because of this matter?
Yes, oh my God. I don't know. Why they say they always speak to different direction like this? I don't know. Like, I mean, why do you always speak to different direction? Like, I mean. All right, go on. Who was speaking?
Why did you drop people?
No, he dropped now. I mean, he dropped by himself. I mean, I don't know. It's up to him.
If the police is even saying, from what African TV is saying, that the police said it was deleted.
Yeah.
And they know
so the thing is,
why
right, I'm thinking, right, there's a lot of bias on the side of African TV. And I understand that African TV misbehavior, okay, and this small lie that he lies is annoying. It's annoying. Okay? It's very, very annoying. We must say that. He wasn't straightforward with the people that he worked with. That's what caused all this nonsense. If he had been straightforward with the group he worked with, all this nonsense would have happened. So on that basis, anybody can blame African TV, which I think that he has to, work on himself. He has to really work on himself on that basis. But on the basis of trying to know what Yomi is doing, right? And trying to go head to head with Yomi. Yomi only needs to prove it to him. I know how long Baba Mohbad team went head to head with Lady Aries, whatever, Ada Foundation, whatever, until they kicked them out of the game. Okay? Why the Baba Mohbad and those Baba Mohbad fans, why they're not focusing on their own justice and allow Lady Aries and Ada Foundation, Bankole and Smith to focus on their own? Why are they calling Bankole and shit? Why are they doing that? So that same thing they were doing is what African TV is doing to Yomi.
Okay, wait, Paparano. Okay, please, nobody should interject me, please. I take go beg everybody. Now, should those at Zone 2, should they know that the video has been deleted or not? Just yes or no. Should they know? Should they be aware?
Yeah. So, based on the African TV had said so. If Yomi, you don't forget, Yomi is not telling us what is happening there. That's the thing. Okay, so if African civil will be going right now, causing confusion and coming out and telling us for sure, then right now Yomi will have to prove him wrong by saying,
hold on.
this is what I know for sure. It is not that way, it is this way, and that is an information to the public.
Now, hold on, Paparano. Just answer that question. Should the people, Zone 2, I don't know how it works in Nigeria, if they relate information to each other. So those in Zone 2, should they be aware that the stuff has been deleted, or they might still be in the not sure?
For me, I think those in Keja, where the video was submitted, who were really investigating the case, they are the one who should have more information, about that video case. We don't know whether it was transferred to Zone 2. I can't tell. But if it wasn't transferred to Zone 2, Zone 2 is not the right place then. For you to know about whether it was deleted, whether it exists, is to go to Keja.
All right, which means we cannot take everything African TV has said today by saying they said it's been deleted. We cannot say for sure it has been deleted, because this, hold on, Papa, let me finish. This thing was not said in front of Yomi.
You are reporting against yourself. It's like you're not listening to yourself. You are reporting against yourself.
Hold on now. Please, hold on, Paparano. Just pay attention, right? Every question you have African TV today, it was done before the Yomi. When I went to eat, I got there before them. Everything was, to me, it was backdoor. Let me put it that way.
The beauty about it is that he come out to talk about it. Yomi, why is Yomi not talking about it?
Okay, I'll leave that.
So that we'll know which one is correct.
All right, okay, I'll leave that. I'm not speaking in favor of Yomi, so I'll leave that. Now, I'm going to ask you another question. Now, Yomi, African TV going into this case to fact check and all of those things, I don't know how we work again. Can an individual, not an NGO, can an individual go and check about a case, just like what is happening with Yomi?
Yeah,
so let African TV...
Jagumolo, there are so many instances. Sure, an individual can walk up to the police station and ask about, like any ongoing case, especially if they are affected or if they are representing, maybe you're representing a foundation or a society or a club, or maybe even yourself, you're interested. You have that right. You have right to freedom of information. Okay? You can walk in there and establish your case. Then now it's up to the police to answer you diplomatically. They know how to answer you. Believe me. They know answers they cannot give out. They know answers they can give out.
All right, okay. And
also don't forget that people there's always this nepotism, friends and family, whereby you know somebody there, and then you just call the person and the person will give you information.
Okay. On the platform now, I listened to Chairman speaking on Ayame Kade, and he said something about, because I think they were grilling him, and he said something about, he knew that African TV told him that he has a petition, Akpanti, to push Yomi's case. Now, if African TV is coming out that his signature was forged, and you have told somebody that he has a petition, which means he petitioned. But if you're saying your signature was forged, they did it behind you, that's a different thing now. Those are two different things, because this is Chairman saying that this person told him. It's not like, somebody wrote a petition on behalf of me. He's saying he has a petition. So which means your signature was not forged anymore. This is you.
Are you fighting about the signature, or you are fighting about the petition?
No, wait now.
We're talking about the whole thing.
You see, the thing is this. The people are condemning him that his foundation that is not registered. How can you use an unregistered foundation to be petitioning an individual? You cannot use the wrong to do the right. Right? What is wrong is wrong. Yes, I see a reason there, but he is only he's suspecting that maybe his former groups are working against him, and is also trying to throw shade back at them that, okay, a crime was also committed against me. Okay, I know I was part of this petition, but I wasn't the only one in the process. So whoever that was with him in that process have a question to answer. So that he's only trying to pull everybody alongside. You understand?
Okay.
Loju, can I ask you a question?
Tell me. All right, go on.
Let me be sincere. From this movement of this J for him, for Mohbad from the beginning till date. It is only African TV that is still winning. What other thing have we won, like even from the family, from an individual, apart from what African TV is doing without
What are you
unregistered
saying now?
foundation?
What are you saying
When
now?
this,
When
what
you
I'm
say
saying
winning, I
is
don't
that
understand.
what in this
But
case,
I don't understand. Why will your registered foundation defeat Baba Mohbad? Baba Mohbad should be in shame. I swear. Unregistered foundation defeat Baba Mohbad for court. The snapper, how do you see that?
you see, African TV is
The
just like,
snapper,
let me
when
say,
you go to their live
just
stream, please
winning.
tell them how can they
Hold on,
let
hold
an
on.
unregistered foundation defeat them?
No, obviously, if I go that route, yeah, it's they're going to start dragging this whole matter again. You get so some things, like I said,
Papiano, my dad Jagumolu is whining.
the,
listen,
I
see,
beg, make I
the
play
biggest
this.
shame, you see, the
hold
biggest
on
shame,
now.
right,
Let me
Oh, it's
is
finish.
very
for
wicked. Hold on, I have a
is
question
for
for
an
you.
unregistered foundation to defeat
Mhm.
somebody who is registered.
Paparano, I asked you a question in the comment section
Obviously,
in
that
the
is what
morning.
I want to say.
I asked you a question in the comment section, and I think you read it, but you ignored.
I
What
did not
is
see
it?
it, please. I didn't see it,
Okay, let me ask
please.
again then. What is the difference between inactive and not registered?
Yes, the inactive might have not, like they might have not, like give their annual reports. Like annual returns. But yeah, they might have not submit their annual report back to the government, like in terms of how they spend the money, the tax, and all those blah blah blah. So just like they are owing the government. Okay, and I think there are some period of inactivity that you can undergo, and your foundation, I mean, maybe shut down. Foundation may be shut down. You understand? So, and for the unregistered, I mean, surely, like, he's not in the system. No
Which means
reference
It
number.
be
one,
approved
which means
anytime.
one
You know,
exists.
the unregistered might be approved anytime because African TV said he has tried
No,
two
no, 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 no,
times
no, 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 no,
and
no,
he
no,
was
no. It
not
doesn't work
approved.
that way. No, 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 no. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. See, it's just like you want to start a company. If your company has not been fully registered, you cannot be using that company to issue payment openly, let's say behind closed door. Now, inactive means that company exists, but only Joe Jegbese. Now, ọjọ́ tó bá sọ gbèsè, they would make it active. Now,
Ó lọ African TV ò
let
tí
me
gbowó
finish.
kankan pẹ̀lú owó kìíní ẹ̀ kò ní
Let me
àkáǹtì fún.
finish now. Now, not registered is a company tí kò exist lórí system, but you already, just like you already having a pay slip to issue to people, but the company is not yet registered. That was what I was asking Paparanda. Listen, this is two different things because you were saying, oh, the Yomi wrote petition using an inactive foundation, right? Tomorrow, if he pays, it becomes active almost immediately. The non-registered one is still going to take time. There are processes.
Jagun, what are you saying now? Please
You tell
relax.
me. Oh yeah,
Relax.
tell me.
Okay.
Can you hear me? Oh yeah.
Baba Mohbad, who is the father of Mohbad, never wrote any petition on the 3 seconds video.
Don't go to that angle.
Just
I
wait,
know that is
relax, please. I like to explain things. Baba Mohbad father never wrote any petition on the 3 seconds video. African TV Unregistered Foundation wrote a petition on the 3 seconds video. Yomi Fabi, an inactive foundation, wrote a petition on the 3 seconds video. Now, this is the thing here. Let's say you guys should stop bringing this guy on. This guy doesn't speak sensible. Come, moderator. Make somebody block this guy. It doesn't speak sense, please. It's always distracting, causing issues. Okay? Please don't. I will begin to remove most of your most moderators. You have to begin to follow the show and use your sense, please. Okay? I mean, we're not just here for stupidity. Let them go to primary school, the other primary platform. It's not every time. I mean, you don't have to be on an intelligent platform, please. It's annoying. When people are trying to use their brain, craft something, and some individuals will just come and just cause chaos. So now, as I was saying, this guy didn't even make me forget what I was talking. Yeah. So now, Inactive Foundation wrote a petition. Okay. If you are to score these people, first, if your man is being scored 100 out of 100, if I'm to score them, okay, in 100, you're me 100, I give him 100, okay. African TV, I give him 50. Mobile, I give him 0. African TV made an attempt.
Can I
Just
score
please
them?
wait. Just please wait now. African TV, African TV made an attempt. All right. That shows his eagerness to do the right thing, which is to give an information to the police representing yourself in a particular way that the police will listen to your petition. So now, when a petition is given to the police, there is, whether foundation or no foundation, you don't have to be a foundation to submit a petition to the police. You don't have to, especially in a criminal case. You are only helping the police in their case. It's police case. So you are saying that police, me as this foundation, okay, we are formally writing a letter to you, attached with this evidence, or these evidences, for you to investigate on. Simple. Okay? There is no, there is no big deal here. Even a crazy man walking on the street can come to the police and give them an evidence and tell them to work on it. Police will take it. Okay, let's say, for example, African TV submit his petition to the police with 20-minute video of how Mohbad died. Would you have this issue? Would you be here to condemn it? Answer that question.
No.
Thank you very much. So now,
wait.
There shouldn't be issue with that.
There is no issue with that, but it became an issue when he withdrew himself from that petition. The petition was forged. I did not do it. So he did not do it. He said it was forged. They took my signature. So that is not him anymore. So that's
why did African TV withdraw himself from the petition?
Hold on, very wicked.
At least they have already worked on it.
Very wickedly, please let me answer. And as sense at the usual, make use in sense, make I know how far if you go with sense. No enter. Go on.
Yeah. So now he came out on a platform and he said, so person was a scam and a fraud. They used my signature. They forged my signature. So which means you're telling the public that you were not involved in this thing. Now,
no. That doesn't imply that he wasn't involved, please.
Okay, go
He
on.
only said in the process of writing a particular petition, he believed that he was cheated. His signature was forged without his consent, and he doesn't know how it may affect him in the future. So he's making a disclaimer.
If you're making a disclaimer, what does that mean? If you're making a disclaimer, what does that mean?
He's trying to say that his signature was used without his consent, and this will pass a message to whoever did that. Okay, because he doesn't know how far his signature has gone. Who even knows as I'm talking to you right now? Someone else is using a signature. So the only right thing for him to do is either to report to the police or come out, and make a disclaimer there. I've never given anybody consent to be using my signature. If anybody uses it without my consent, you're in trouble. Okay, and that's what he did.
Oh, no. I still disagree with you on that. Nibo. Now, your Papariano now, somebody forged your signature of Logbaoni Bank. You came out, you said, Atigbawo yen. You said you took the praise, we've taken the money. Now, you now came back to say, oh, my signature was forged. What do you think? Which one would they listen to?
Oh, yeah. That's nice. So let you say, somebody used my signature to go commit a crime in the bank, and the person brought the money, and we both shared the money, right?
Correct, yeah.
Yes. So then what next?
Then obviously the police got involved and they picked that person, right? And there is a video of you, there's an evidence of you where you were celebrating the victory of this.
Now, sure. Yeah, sure. That's a good question. So now, I think the areas of investigation, first they will ask the person who sent you to commit this crime. That by the point of you going to commit this crime, did you inform this person before using his signature? If he can give an evidence that, oh, truly, this person authorized me to use this evidence to commit a crime, all right, then there's a problem on me. If I instruct them to use my signature to commit a crime, there's an issue. But if I never instructed them, there's an ignorance of fact. The father, I didn't know that they went to steal that money Okay, I only see money, and I was celebrating and I was enjoying money with the
That
celebrant.
is wait. That is if you did not know they went to steal the money. Now let's bring it back to this case. Was African TV aware that his signature was used and they submitted the petition? Did he celebrate the victory of that petition? Yes, he did all of these things. Now you want to
Yes.
take glory, for some things, but withdraw in another thing. No. If you're going to take the glory, take the
No,
glory.
no, no, no.
You're not going to take the
Please wait,
glory.
please wait.
Yeah.
Yes. On the petition, he maintained the ground that he didn't authorize anyone to forge his signature. So if his signature has been forged to do anything, and then later on he's celebrating what was done. So now, was he there when that thing was done? Did he encourage that thing to be done? That is how you can rope him in. If he never encouraged for that thing to be done, anybody can celebrate with anybody victory.
What
Can
are
I
you
play
saying?
the video?
Okay. It seems like I want to play something. Let me mute for her.
You are dragging what is not supposed to drag. If
I'm
I
not.
should say what happened between that stuff in
Wait,
customer
wait,
budget, but we will not say it.
I'm
I'll
not
keep
going
quiet.
that far. I'm not going that far. I was
About
just
this
addressing.
forging.
Wait.
If
Okay,
I am
let me
happy
move on.
that maybe one politician was arrested, maybe the governor of one particular state was arrested, am I the one who arrested him? Or if I'm
But
glad that they shoot him in his leg,
no, that is a
and I'm
different
celebrating,
scenario. That is a different.
you
This is
have
two
to show
parts
that
now.
I was part of those who went to shoot his leg.
Okay, now this is a two. Okay, this is two parts. Okay, let me break it down completely now. Let's say he wants to take this case for further, yeah, and they've asked the other party, did they permit you to? And this person says yes, and African TV is saying no, and they play back the video where he was celebrating and when he was praising it. Which one? Who would you think they will listen to?
No, that's what I'm saying. Investigation will see him celebrating it, but for him to be roped in the court of law, they have to prove that he perpetrated the act. What act right now? Forgery. Celebration is not a crime in
Okay,
Nigeria
hold on.
and in the UK.
Wait, Paparano, now when they say forgery, when they say they forged my signature, my understanding is maybe you made a duplicate, maybe you drew something, right? You drew that signature on a different paper, correct? Now, in this case, was that what happened? Or there was a template sent? There are times that
It was a
you already
template
signed.
sent.
Hold on, Aduke, hold on, please. There are cases where people already signed on their what should I call it, on their office paper. There has been signature on it, and you just send it to somebody. All you do is print out. You get what I mean?
Yeah, let me explain to you, Jagumolu. This
Oh
is
yeah.
what happened. Someone asks, hello, ATV, send me your letter heading. When he wanted to send his letter heading, the letter heading was carrying the signature. What was asked was letter heading, not signature. So when he was now carrying the signature, the person should have asked, there is a signature on this letter heading.
Hold on.
Wait.
Hold on. Very question. Come back.
Then that can be Sogomo. Should I
Hold
play
on
the
now.
video?
Wait, hold on now. Ṣé ó gbé signature wà nínú template and that's the question.
Ó gbé signature dání. Letter heading yẹn gbé signature sísàlẹ̀. Oya talk.
Yeah, go on. I'm listening.
I'm not going on again. You don't ask your question,
Okay.
Shebi. You continue.
Now, ó gbé signature yẹn wá. Now, Paparano, I don't know how it works again, right? When you duplicate stuff, because when you want to say, for example, now you want to go embassy and you send, should I call it letter of invitation?
African TV máa kó bá àwọn tó bá ṣe kíní yẹn, àwọn group tó ń ṣe yẹn.
Hold on, Paparano. Hold on, Paparano. Like this is us educating each other, right? So let's say you want to write letter of to embassy, and you send letter of invitation, correct? And you sign on it, and you probably email it to the person, and you print it out. They don't accept it because it is not done by ink. You get what I mean? That's like you duplicate.
Now you get what Paparani is trying to tell you. That is the gbese. That is the offense there. Can you repeat what you just said right now?
Paparano got it now. Ready? Papa, you got what I said.
Dagmolu, the question is, when you see that thing, why not reject it?
See,
And
I'll
said,
make it to see Jagmolu plus African TV plus Aries. I've said it again. Wọ́n ti rí nǹkan tí Yomi ń ṣe, they have seen what Yomi is doing. Kí ló fà á táwọn náà tó fi lọ ṣe nǹkan míì lẹ́yìn? It was not needed. That's why I see that mi ò dá sọ̀rọ̀ wọn. Àwọn méjèèjì wọn wà faulted. Okay? We have to call a spade a spade. The desperation was too much at some point. So you understand? So, I mean, Yomi is the one who was sent 3 seconds video, right? It makes sense for everybody to support Yomi, to know where the 10-minute video is. It makes sense. You understand? If you write any petition right now, no matter the petition African TV and Lady Aries write, they will still need Yomi. And African TV right now, he has misbehaved. In fact, last year, December, I remember personally, I mean, Mumbai African TV. African TV, hey, Liman Soroba, you see Yomi, you can't be talking to Yomi this way that you will sue Yomi. And truly, Yomi made a mistake. Sorry, no, not Yomi. African TV made a mistake. African TV mistake is African TV, he was frustrated that Yomi did not release the 3 seconds video. All right? And me too, yeah, because I said, Yomi, you have submitted this video to the police and released it. Everybody wanted to see the 3 seconds video. Wanted to see. And Yomi will be like, Tebari, And Karimo felt bad. And then this guy, when Olori, this guy, Yomi went to this guy music platform, okay, this Olori Ebi music, okay. When he went to this guy's platform, right, he gave the guy the video that Yomi cannot release to the public. Yomi gave the guy, and Yomi was already talking about money contribution. Ni Karimo Babin Loba do video sita. Kakakile Akule Ashami. Nibo.
Papa,
Understand? And Karimo did well. We all appreciated Karimo. So all those made African TV say, I'm going to sue Yomi